Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are upcycling old vases and jars and creating faux glazed pots. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some glazed pots. Plain white school glue to get the lace onto the glass pots, but you could use a spray adhesive. I think that would work really well. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts and I will see you next week. Bye.